missed you guys a lot. This YouTube long format content. So my god. So yeah. So I'll be consistent on this platform as well. So don't forget to subscribe my channel if you're new to my channel. And yeah, so in today's video I'll be creating this makeup look of mine. As you guys know, festival is around the corner, so you can do this makeup on any or every occasion, or you can do this on regular basis except this eye look. But the base I'm using today, I'll be not using any kind of foundation, only concealer, so it's kind of not feeling like heavy kind of look, but yet it's really looking good. And all the products that we'll be using today in this video, I'll provide all the products link on the description box. And the main thing is, there is a sale going on Nykaa where you can find all the products at a very discounted price, and the products I'll be using today is under 500, which is super budget friendly. So without any further delay, let's get quickly dig in the video.
First, I'm gonna try with concealer. It's Maybelline Age Rewind concealer in the shade Caramel. I'm using the concealer around my mouth area, under eyes और on dark spots. I love this concealer a lot. अगर मुझे एक product choose करने बोले ना, then I'll choose this concealer. इतना पसंद है मुझे ये. If you are not a makeup person, then you should try this concealer at least. Look, I haven't used much product and my skin already looks flawless. Next, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade medium. I'm using the concealer for the highlighting purpose only, using very less amount, जिससे कि मेरा face जो है वो highlight हो जाए and base भी cakey ना लगे, and blending really well with concealer brush. Next, to setting my face, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me powder. At this point, I'm feeling कि one brand makeup ही ना बन रहा हो, but don't worry, I'll be using other brands के products also. So this is my second favorite from this brand. ये skin को blur out कर देता है and makeup set रखने में इसका बहुत बड़ा हाथ है. Next, for the brow, I'm using Sugar Pop Brow Shaper. It has two sides, one with the spoolie and other with the product. First, I'm combing my brow, then filling up the parch area only. Talking about the brand, इनके काफ़ी affordable products होते हैं. Like you can find most of the products under rupees 500. Next, for the eyeshadow, I'm using Wet n Wild 10 color eyeshadow palette. Taking this shade for the transition. This is my go-to palette. मुझे ना थोड़ा earthy tones ज़्यादा पसंद आते हैं and it has all the shades of browns. Using the same transition shade to my lower lash line to give some dimension to the eyes. Next, to give more depth, I'm taking थोड़ा darker shade and using it on the outer corner of my eyes and blending it in inwards. Festive makeup हो और glitter ना हो, taking this shimmer shade on my fingers and applying directly to the eyes. मुझे लगता है ना कि shimmer shades finger से ज़्यादा अच्छे से apply होते हैं, and doing the same to the other eye as well. Now taking the darkest shade from the palette on my flat tapered brush and using it as an eyeliner. This will open up the eyes and मेरे face का prominent feature जो है ना वो मेरे eyes है. So I like to give special focus on my eyes and doing it on the lower lash line as well. Now look at the difference. Next, for the mascara, I'm using Maybelline Colossal Waterproof Mascara. It has that fuller wand जो कि lashes को length के साथ साथ volume भी देता है. मैं पहले ना अपने lower lashes पे mascara नहीं use किया करती थी, but now I do and I know the difference it makes. Next, I'm taking Makeup Revolution Duo Blush and Highlighter. 2-in-1 प्रोडक्ट है तो कैरी करने में काफ़ी ईजी हो जाता है. आई लाइक टू यूज़ मोर ऑफ ब्लश क्योंकि एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आपका ब्लश जो है ना वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा फेड हो जाता है. यूजिंग हाईलाइटर, दिस इज़ नॉट माई यूजुअल शेड का हाईलाइटर बट स्टिल इट लुक्स गुड ऑन मी. बाय द वे, इट्स इन रोज़ गोल्ड शेड. After that, taking the same highlighter on my tiny finger and using it on the inner corner of my eyes, this actually makes a huge difference to the whole eye look, and doing the same to the other eyes. Lastly, for the lips, I'm taking Faces Canada Comfy Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Note to Self. I mostly prefer light shade lipsticks as I'm wearing it in day, so choosing light shade is the best option. I have used 2 of this already. इतना पसंद है मुझे ये शेड, बहुत प्रिटी लगता है ये मेरी डस्की स्किन पे. And here we are done with our makeup, and I'll be right back after wearing accessories.
So that's it for today's video, and I hope you found this video helpful, and if yes, then don't forget to share with your friends and family, and also do subscribe to my channel for more of such sort of videos. And I'm just really sorry about the background noises all around here because I'm shooting on a daylight, so you know the din ka hustle and all. So that's it for today's video. Bye, see you on the next video.